Us. Today, in this video lecture, we are going to talk about the classification of antithyroid drugs. The classification of antithyroid drug, the classes goes like this. First class is the drugs which inhibits the hormone synthesis, which are also called as thioamides, and the examples are propylthiouracil, methimazole, carbimazole, etc. The second class, the drugs which inhibits the iodine trapping, which are also known as ionic inhibitors. The examples are thiocyanates, perchlorates, nitrates. The third class is inhibiting the hormone release, that is iodine, iodides of sodium and potassium, and organic iodide. And the last is destroys the example is radioactive iodine, iodine 131, iodine 125, iodine 123. Iodine 131 is the used radioactive iodine which is used in this mechanism and destruction of thyroid tissues. So in this mechanism we have seen that this endoplasmic reticulum, from the endoplasmic reticulum till the release of the thyroid hormones, the steps which can be targeted, these detailed mechanism of action of all the classes which we have seen just now, you will get in our video of mechanism of action of antithyroid drugs. So as the mechanism, the name of the class is, like for example, if the class name is the antithyroid drugs which inhibit the iodide trapping. So this iodide which is getting trapped inside the follicle, thyroid follicle, this trapping of iodide from the circulation is inhibited. So the name is iodide trapping inhibitors. Thyroid drugs are acting as destruction, they are working on the destructing the follicular cell. So this destruction of thyroid gland itself or the thyroid gland cells itself will, the mechanism is shown by the class, last class, that is radioactive iodine, and this release of thyroid hormones into the blood will get inhibited. So this class name is the drugs which inhibit the release of thyroid hormones, and the class, that is drug which inhibit the hormone synthesis, that means synthesis will only get inhibited. So now there are multiple steps in the synthesis. Thyroglobulin will come, then from another side the iodide trapping through the pendrins, iodide will come and the oxidation of iodide will take place, then it gets converted to iodine and this iodine will combine with thyroglobulin. So all these steps which are there, which are by oxidation, conjugation, so these steps will be inhibited and in turn they will inhibit the hormone synthesis. So to remember the classification, we have one trick. The classes like hormone, first of all we should understand that the antithyroid drugs are acting either on the thyroid hormones or either on the thyroid glands. So the basic two types are hormone synthesis inhibition or hormone release inhibition. That means either they will inhibit the hormone release, the third class, and either they will inhibit the hormone synthesis, the first class, or they will directly act on the thyroid cells, the thyroid tissue destruction as well as iodide trapping. So the class is inhibiting the iodide trapping and destruction of thyroid tissue. So these are the four classes. So the trick starts here. 3 friends थे, 3 friends were there, and the second friend was a bit stupid kind of friend. So what he did, all the 3 friends did party and they came from the party back to home to the first friend's home. So first we'll say, now first ने क्या बोला, first friend बोला कार में पी थी मैंने. So the car here stands for carbimazole, may here stands for methimazole, and p thi मैंने, that is p thi propyl thiouracil. So P3 stands for propyl thiouracil. Matlab these drugs are getting covered in this. So this is the synthesis. That means this is the start. They have did with the party, and now they are going to get trapped and they will be inhibited and they release. That means next party will get cancelled because of the issue that has happened. So what issue has happened? Now कार में पी थी मैंने पहला बोला, दूसरे दो बैठे थे, वो पहले वाले के घर में थे. So what happened? Suddenly the wife listens what he was talking of. So she listens that he said that कार में पी थी मैंने. तो second stupid वाला क्या बोलेगा? पी थी ना रे. That means he will confirm पी थी ना रे. So P here stands for perchlorates, Thi stands for thiocyanates, and Na re stands for nitrates. Nitrates na re. So P thi na re. So now once the wife listens, they are trapped now. So this trapping. So the class name is inhibits iodide trapping. तो अभी ये सुनने के बाद वाइफ बुलाएगी, वाइफ विल कॉल एंड वाइफ विल से नाउ no next party. So this hormone release has stopped. That means अभी hormone synthesize तो हो चुका था, पार्टी तो हो गई है, बट ये सुनने के बाद वो भी इनिबिट हो गया और रिलीज भी इनिबिट हो गया. तो इनिबिट हार्मोन रिलीज के एग्जांपल्स है दिस. when this wife listens and she calls, she will call and that husband will say आयो आयो नहा के आयो. Means before going to her, he will prefer taking a bath. Now we have came across the terms like organic food, organic farming and all. So he will take a organic bath now. How it is? आयो आयो नहा के आयो. मतलब iodine, first IO stands for iodine, second IO stands for iodides of salts such as sodium and potassium. So Na-K is for sodium and potassium, and organic iodides. That means this second IO is again for iodides, but it is organic bath. So it is IO Na-K organic bath IO. Means iodine, IO stands for iodine, IO stands for iodides, Na-K is for salts, sodium and potassium, and IO by taking a organic bath. So organic IO, organic iodide. So now the release has stopped. Wife has called. He told that I will come by taking organic bath, so that she will not come to know what has happened yesterday, but she has listened already. Now there is no option. Wife says better you नहा के आओ, otherwise I will destroy it. I will destroy you. So destroy thyroid tissue, destruction of thyroid tissue. This is the last stage. Thyroid tissue destruction and the ultimatum. That means no next step, since the tissue only is getting destroyed. So the example is radioactive iodine. So what husband will say? Now he has taken a bath. He will say ready IO, and these two other friends also will come along with them, that we are there, don't worry. So he will say ready हूँ मैं अभी नहा के आयो. For radioactive, IO is for again iodine. So this is ready IO. So this party, they had done with the party. Now कार में पीती मैंने, कार is mazole, P3 is for propyl thiouracil. Then second will say P na re, तो P3 na re is for perchlorates, Thi is for thiocyanates, and Na re is for nitrates. Now the next trick is IO Na ke IO. IO, first IO is for iodine, second IO is for iodides. They are iodides, second is iodides because they are of salts like sodium and potassium, and organic bath he is going to take. Now this is IO is iodide and organic bath. So then once he is done with this, he will say ready हूँ मैं अभी आयो. So D is for radioactive and IO is for iodine, radioactive iodine. So with this we finish with the revise this video twice and thrice, and then you will never forget classification once you